Again, we're looking for a 250,000 headline number. The addition's a slowdown, by the way, from the 372,000 jobs that were added in the month of June. We're looking at an unemployment rate of 3.6%, which would be unchanged from the prior month. Average hourly earnings looking to tick up by 4.9%. So those are the overall estimates here. The numbers should be dropping right about now as we look to this breaking news. And big gain, 528,000.
That wasn't my guess.
528,000 jobs added to the U.S. economy in the month of July. Remarkable beat here. Remember, that's more than double what economists on average were predicting. Unemployment rate ticking down to 3.5%. So we are now seeing sort of a match between the household survey and the establishment survey here, interestingly. Average hourly earnings ticking up by 0.5% month over month, 5.2% on a year-over-year basis. And by the way, we're getting some revisions now as well. A little bit of an increase in terms of revisions to 398,000 jobs in June. So when we talk about this robust job market, even in the face of what we're hearing from companies in terms of a tonal change, they may be changing what they're saying, but judging from this number, they're not necessarily changing what they're doing.
I'm looking right at the leisure and hospitality. I think that number, the jobs added last month from leisure and hospitality, hotels, you name it, 96,000. That is a huge number, and I wouldn't be surprised if that surprised to the upside a lot of economists on the street, but kind of fits what we have heard this week from Marriott CEO Anthony Capuano. Told Yahoo Finance, guys, I'm seeing double-digit growth for bookings for Labor Day. And if you have that type of growth, you're not necessarily out there joining the likes of Robinhood and Walmart firing people. Also heard it from Airbnb. Sure, trends slowed down, but leisure and hospitality so far seems to be holding up pretty well. This is a good report. But now let's see how the market responds. We saw futures tick a little bit lower here. Perhaps that raises concern. We get a more hawkish Fed tone in coming weeks.
Yeah, we will see if we get that kind of a tone. And the leisure and hospitality is also interesting given we continue to see a lot of troubles in the skies as well. Once again, I had a person close to me, my husband, having some trouble with a flight, but that's something that's been going on too, and there have been some labor issues there as there's trouble getting staffing enough for the airline. So it's extending in all parts of leisure and hospitality.
And here's another surprising number. Retail trade added 22,000 jobs in July, and that is a shocking number and likely, I think, potentially a peak. Because look, we've heard from retailers, Target, Walmart, they are now seeing a massive slowdown, whether it's in their stores, online. They're unlikely to be adding employees at this clip, at least headed into the back half of the year.